Chronos, Crowcoin, Crypto.com is doing some very big things, man. We're starting to see, Crypto.com really embrace the entire crypto space. And what I mean by that, they have a golf tournament coming up tomorrow that the winner gets $10 million, but that $10 million is in cryptocurrency, and I believe this is the first type of tournament or type of major sports event that the winnings are in crypto. So this is going to be some big things, and today we're also going to talk about how Crypto.com, their exchange, is continuously expanding, continuously hitting new levels as far as traded spot volume, and I do believe that will bring more people into the Crypto.com ecosystem for the simple fact that Crow has so much utility that you can use it for within the app. And I do think that's going to continue to grow as Crypto.com develops out their app and continue to follow through with their 2025 roadmap. So we're going to talk about that. But before we do, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on those notifications right now, man. I'm talking about not tomorrow, not 2 days from now, but right now, man. So let's get straight into it. Let's talk about Crow and where price is at today. Oh man, we can see Crow is currently at 17 cents, almost at that 18-cent mark. We are in the red. Earlier yesterday, or later yesterday rather, we were at 18 cents, and today we are down. But like I said, man, that's a part of it. If we just zoom out just this past month, they're saying we're up 9%, but actually if you would have got in the earlier, I would say earlier months of November or 2024, when we was at 7 cents, we was once upon a time at 9 cents as well, you would be or have 100% gains, man. That's why I always say dollar cost average is the best thing to do. Now we look over to the right, we can see the community sentiment is 90% bullish and 10% bearish. So people are bullish on Crow. Right now we see that Crow is ranked 34. I will continue to say that Crow is a top 25 project with everything that they're currently doing. So just be on the lookout for that, because right now we only at the $4.63 billion market cap. In the all-time highs, we were at what, like almost like, I want to say close to a 40 billion market cap somewhere. Okay, 22 billion. So we still got some ways to go before we hit the all-time highs, and I do believe we can hit all-time highs in 2025. I think 2025 is going to be not only a great year for Crow, but a great year for crypto in general. I do think more people will start coming into the crypto space, and we know that Crypto.com offers so many things that people are going to want to use the Crypto.com exchange because of the utility for Crow, especially if you are bullish on Crow anyway. If you're holding Crow, it's like, why not use Crypto.com? I think, like, well, I feel like, at the end of the day, if you are bullish on Crow, then you should be use Crypto.com as exchange because of everything that they offer within the app for people or holders of Crow. Now, let's get into some of the good stuff, man. These golfers will be fighting it out for $10 million in cryptocurrency. It's Crow. The purse is significantly more than a regular PGA tournament or tour or LIV event purse. And the December 17th event marks the first major sports competition to offer its prize money entirely in crypto. That's big, man, because it's a game changer. Like Tech said, this is the first major sporting event to be offered in cryptocurrency, or the winnings in cryptocurrency. And I think Crypto.com is really showing how people are starting to embrace cryptos and want to hold cryptos. And I think this is the first of many. I do think in the future we will see more sporting events where the turnout can or the winner can win crypto. So that's going to be big if once we start actually getting into the flow of that. Now let's get into some of the good stuff, man. Crypto.com December spot volume update. With about 2 weeks left in December, Crypto.com currently sits at $152.66 billion traded in spot volume on the platform. In the first 15 days of the month, this represents a daily average of 10 billion or 10.17 billion and a projected volume of 315 billion for the whole month. Let's look at the article. Shout out to Albert. He keeps us updated, man. I get all the good information for Albert, and I'm just pretty much just reading what he already, put out. But we can see about 2 weeks left in December. Crypto.com currently sits at 152 billion traded, and that's an average of 10.17, and a projected of $315 billion for the whole month. So the December projected volume has come down from the earlier estimates because the spot volume on the exchange has been consistently lower on the weekends, bringing the daily average down. However, Crypto.com is still on track to beat the spot volume of 283 billion from 2024 or November 2024, provided that the holiday season does not result in decreased institutional volume. It might even break the next volume milestone of 300 billion. So we have been pumping like crazy. Like I said, November was a good month for Crypto.com as far as spot volume goes, and I do believe we might see a little slowing it down just a tad bit for the simple fact that we are in one of the months in investing that people usually or tend to slow down investing right around this time. Then going into the new year, we should see a takeoff for the crypto space. Now, in terms of market share, Crypto.com is now the #3 centralized exchange in the world after Binance and Upbit, which has seen a sudden surge in volume in December, with altcoins picking up pace in the political events in the country, including large market volumes in crypto and stock. Upbit has thus taken some market share from both Crypto.com and Binance, which have been the market leaders in September through November. The top 3 centralized exchanges with their respective market shares are Binance 35%, Upbit 10%, and Crypto.com coming in at 9%. Now, the terms of significant growth drivers for Crypto.com, we expect the Hong Kong regulator to publish a finalized list of the platforms graduating from a permit to fully licensed soon, and Crypto.com should also learn if its VASP review was successful in Korea. So moreover, with 16 days left in the year, it's only 16 days left in the year. That's crazy, y'all. It's not too long until the roadmap goals for Q1 2025 are within reach, and these are the heavy hitters at the beginning of the next year. Crypto.com is expected to expand the exchange to the United States, expand fiat and on-ramp to South Korea, Hong Kong, introduce rewards on Bitcoin, launch stock and ETF trading on the platform, and launch personal multi-currency accounts. The volume projected is as calculated daily average times days in the month. In the future, it might be beneficial to slash the weekend volume in the projection by half to make the estimate more accurate. The South Korean crypto market has experienced a flash crash after the president declared martial law. The parliament lifted up on the same day, and the president has since been impeached. The president has since been impeached. The president for insurrection. Okay, yeah, we get what they said. So pretty much, man, a lot of things going on for Crypto.com. Like I said, it's coming in at #3 right now as far as market share goes across centralized exchanges. And it was #2, but it lost 2% market share. But that's okay because I do think that Crypto.com is one of the best exchanges to really offer so many incentives, especially once they introduce the Bitcoin rewards. I think a lot of, especially institutional investors, want to find ways to earn yield on their Bitcoin. And by betting on Crypto.com, they get this opportunity. And then being able to expand into all these different jurisdictions that once didn't have any crypto exchanges, or they pretty much banned crypto from being traded there. Getting into these ecosystems, because these people, everybody around the world is in every jurisdiction, somebody wants to buy crypto, and with them being limited in these different jurisdictions, if Crypto.com can get this passed, I do believe this will be super bullish for Crypto.com moving forward, especially going into 2025. So Crypto Tro, that's my video. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and if I provided value to you today, make sure you leave a super thanks to support the channel so we can keep the ball rolling and keep the videos coming. So Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.